In a normal junk box challenge, the customer challenges us to create home decor from random junk. But the Christmas season is upon us. We are rising to the challenge of creating Christmas decor from this junk box. Have fun with us and see what creative ideas we can come up with from this junk box. Welcome to beautiful Salvage. Today we have a junk box challenge in Christmas theme. Thank you, Tammy, my Aunt Tammy, for donating this junk box. She actually gave us so much stuff we can split it into 2 junk boxes. For those of you who don't know what a junk box challenge is where a customer comes and they donate a box full of random items and they challenge us to make home decor. So that's what we will be doing today, and we'll start and we'll show you what's in the box, and then we'll go through the process of showing you how we transform it into Christmas decor today. So I'll get started. We have these rings here, and they are purse rings. So it says bamboo handles, design your own bag. And I'll bring them up close. They look like this. And I thought we would turn them into Christmas wreaths. So we have some leftover greenery. I don't know what this is from. It's from some other project, or maybe it was from a free box or something, but it looks like Christmas greenery, and we'll be putting those on the bottom of the rings for Christmas wreaths. So, Julie, you want to dig in the box and...
I'll pretend I know what's...
You're gonna take the one on.
I didn't get the good...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I didn't get the full story. So this is a globe for a lamp or a chandelier. Pretty. Looks like a bell. And we're going to attach that. So it'll be a bell, like a big bell.
We'll probably cut it off. Probably, you know, because it's a little long. So, and then put a little dinger in there. I don't know. So, and then it will really ring.
Yeah. It'll be a real bell.
Yeah. Angie?
Well, I want to make Christmas ornaments, I guess. And I already took the nails out of these with their little handles. And we'll make those into a pretty decorative ornament. And then there's some handles here that we'll put together. Door handles. And we'll put them like this, and then we'll put a transfer or a Christmas card in there on both sides. And then maybe hang a prism and have that hang on the Christmas tree, and we'll paint that.
It's going to be so pretty.
Yeah, so those are just drawer pulls from random drawers that were redone. So they form a cute Christmas ornament shape.
And we'll just take a little prism or something and put on there.
All right, and these are really cool. She has a set of 4 corbels, and they're super heavy.
Are they marble? Are they just...
I don't know.
No, they're plaster.
Plaster. They're from Mexico. I'll bring them up. There's 4 of these, and I like them just the way they are. They're beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate some books and use them as bookends, and then maybe put some Christmas greenery around it, but we'll show you pictures at the end.
Okay. Also have these vases, maybe used for flowers or maybe toothbrushes. I'm not sure, but they're cool. And we are going to use some transfers on those. These are IOD transfers, and if you've ever seen them or used them, they're so cool, and we sell them at the shop. And so we'll be putting those on. Super cute. Nice Christmas decor for your maybe greenery for...
Yeah, if we find
holidays.
greenery, we could put greenery in there too.
Yeah.
Well, then I get the poles, door poles again. And then we've got little Christmas trees. and we'll put them inside, take the screw out, and then put the Christmas tree in there. We'll probably paint the brass, but that'll be real cute for a little decorative.
Really cute. And I thought this little basket here, which has the poles in it, I thought it'd be cute to put like Christmas trees for sale or something like that, and then put all those little Christmas trees that Angie's making inside the basket in the boutique. So, and then the last project of the day is I have these, or she put these, I don't know what, trim boards in.
That's super cool.
And I want to do some sort of Christmas tree and stack them up and make a Christmas tree. I have others that I could add.
Put some handles on there and then
Yeah, or I could put some.
Attach them to a post like that or something.
Oh yeah, yeah. So that would be cute, but you know, it would be really cute to just leave this as a wall hanger too, where you could just put hooks on that. So I'm not sure. This is kind of going to be a mystery one.
mystery.
A mystery one. We'll see as we progress.
You'll see at the end.
Yes. So, all right, let's get started.
All right.
So we got right to work. Altogether, the projects in this box took about 3 hours to complete, which seemed like a good amount of time considering how many little items we completed. Of course, work goes faster when you have several people working together. We work really well together and kind of tag team on the projects. In this first project, I'm making the bell, and I just had a little bead and some twine. So I tied a knot in the twine and to connect my bead, and this will be my little dinger for my bell. I screwed a hole through the bottom of the spindle, and then I took some hot glue and filled the little hole with hot glue and stuffed the end of my string for my bead in that hole. My twine was stiff, so that's why I was able to stuff it into that hole. If your twine isn't very stiff, you probably wouldn't be able to stuff it into the hole with the hot glue, so I would suggest just putting the twine in there and then hot gluing. Julie applied the IOD transfers onto the bases, and then she put a clear coat of Mod Podge over the top just to make it more durable in case it got water on it. And then Angie worked on the little knobs with the Christmas trees, which turned out super cute. We decided not to paint the brass knobs because it complemented the gold in the Christmas trees, and she did paint the wooden knobs in a moss green color and distressed them by sanding them and then waxed them. This is a simple and quick Christmas decor idea for old knobs. I got a pack of 6 mini trees at the Dollar Tree. Angie just pulled off the little wood base at the bottom of the trees and hot glued them into the knob holes. Angie also painted the other drawer handles along with the little wooden pieces. Julie used E6000 with a little dab of hot glue to attach the drawer handles together. She cut out vintage Christmas cards and vintage music to fit on the inside of them. Anyone who comes into our shop knows that she is the one who collects most of our vintage prints, pictures, and cards. I'm so glad that she had some cards for this project. I drilled a tiny little hole at the top of the ornament so that we could put a wire for hanging them on the Christmas tree. Next, it's time to work on the chunk of old trim. I put a couple of wall hangers on the back before painting and just painted the piece with Rust-Oleum chalked white paint. Once it was dry, I lightly distressed the piece and applied dark wax. We didn't show you this, but the hooks that I used to put on this project came in this junk box as well. I thought this would be really cute with 2 Christmas stockings hanging from it. My favorite project from this junk box challenge is the Christmas tree made from different trim pieces. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and this was the perfect opportunity. I struggled finding the perfect topper for my tree, but this is what I finally decided that I would use. I had an old hinge along with a drawer handle plate, and that's what I ended up using. I'm okay with that decision, but do wish I had another option. I guess I'm gonna have to go on a hunt for more hardware. I'm attaching my pieces to an old spindle that I painted white. And I had these trim pieces from an old table that fell apart. I took my chop saw and I cut them in different lengths at an angle. I then dabbed some glue on the back of each piece and used my trim nailer to secure them. We accidentally didn't get any of the footage of Julie painting the bamboo wreaths, but we'll show you at the end how they turned out. I think this junk box challenge was one of my favorites, and I would love to do another one before the season is over. So if you like what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. All right, so we are going to show you what we came up with today. We did a lot in about 3 hours, so I felt like we got a lot accomplished. But anyways, so the first thing that I did was this bell, and it has a nice sound. So I'll come and bring it up closer. Turned out really pretty and elegant, and it's real. So.
And then I did these little, what were they, Amy? I don't even remember.
They were like something from a piece of furniture, I think.
Like a finial or something, I don't know. They put a little crystal on the bottom of it and glittered them up. It was a happy accident with the glitter.
Yeah, the Christmas trees that she was doing had glitter on them, and then it got those glittery. Well, we're like, well, may as well make them glittery with glitter paint.
Worked really good.
Yeah.
All right, so then I put the IOD transfers on these. Turned out really cute. Pretty easy project with really pretty transfers.
Yes, I can picture like spoon. You can put Christmas spoons in there, wooden spoons, and you know, in your kitchen too, or a flower arrangement.
Oh yes.
And then I did this Christmas tree. Remember we had this bottom piece here that Tammy gave to us, and then I had all of these chunks of scrap wood from different tables and pieces of furniture that I added to it to make a Christmas tree. So.
I love that.
Well, speaking of Christmas trees, these are the little Christmas tree door pulls. We got some green ones there with silver, and then some brass knobs with a gold tree. And then we put them in a basket that says Christmas trees.
So cute.
That would be adorable sitting in the boutique.
Okay, and then we put our drawer handles together and made them into Christmas tree ornaments. Cute little bauble on the bottom of that one. And we liked the color so much we just left that without painting it. That's actually two-sided. You can do the music or the angels, church or music, angels. No, I guess that's the manger scene. Pretty.
Those are pretty, very vintagey feeling.
Yes.
And I also we had this chunk of wood. I don't know if it was a table skirt or what exactly it was that was given to us from the box. And then I painted it and added hooks so it can hold a couple of Christmas stockings. I thought that would be really cute.
These were the bamboo rings for, what were they for? Purse handles. So we painted them white and added the florals on there. Nice, simple, elegant design.
And then for the corbels, we just decided to leave them as is and clean them up and use them instead of actual corbels hanging on the wall. They'll be used as bookends. So I just put a couple books together, red and green for Christmas, and then they'll go in between the corbels. So yeah, that's what we did. We got a lot done in a short amount of time, and it was a lot of fun and pretty things here.
Very pretty.
We didn't play any Christmas music.
Nope.
No Christmas
Too
music
early.
next time.
Next time, yes.
So if you like what you've seen here today, you can always shop at beautifulsalvage.com. That's where we list a lot of stuff. If you like anything that you have seen that we did today, we won't have that listed because that's going into our boutique. But if you really, really want it, you can message us and we'll send you a price and a picture, and we'll get it to you. If you love junking adventures, love upcycling and repurposing items, you can always subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on our adventures with us. And thank you so much for watching today, and have